Okay, let's go now to pathogenic factors in mental emotional problems. Number one, which pathogenic factor commonly obstructs the mind?
Phlegm.
Okay, ang bilis.
Phlegm.
Phlegm.
Okay. Phlegm obstructing the mind may lead
Psychosis. And
Psychosis.
schizophrenia.
psychosis and schizophrenia. Kaya punta kayo sa dun sa loob para makita niyo yung mga dila niyo. A swollen tongue body with sticky coating, usually.
Phlegm.
Okay.
Phlegm.
Iba sa inyo dyan, tiningnan na yung dila. Fire differs from heat because fire
Not okay.
what's your
is more intense and deeper.
Okay, more intense and deeper. Next, which symptom is most associated with fire disturbing the mind?
Anxiety and
Anxiety
insomnia.
and insomnia.
Galing. Phlegm fire combines
Phlegm obstruction
phlegm
and fire.
phlegm obstruction with fire agitation.
Okay. Severe phlegm fire may clinically resemble.
Bipolar.
Asthma.
Okay. Tingnan mo mga dila.
Bipolar.
Severe fire.
Bipolar.
Slippery and rapid pulse with red swollen tongue.
Phlegm fire. Phlegm fire.
Okay, phlegm fire. Okay, empty heat commonly arises from.
Yin deficiency.
Yes, yin deficiency. How thick is the coating?
No coating.
No coating. Number 10. Which symptom is typical of empty heat disturbing the Shen?
Severe anxiety.
Yes, severe anxiety.
Severe anxiety.
Okay. Internal wind may cause
Tremors.
Tremors and nerves.
very good. Now let's go to number 12. In TCM, excessive emotions are considered.
Internal wind.
Oh, remember that
Internal causes of
disease pag excessive yung emotion. Kaya kung magiging emotional kayo, wag masyadong so.
Internal causes.
Which organ is most affected by anger? IEC.
Liver.
Liver.
Anger.
Anger commonly causes
liver
chi stagnation. Liver chi stagnation.
overexcitement primarily affects the
Heart. Heart. Worry lang.
Pensiveness and excessive worry weaken the
spleen.
okay. Sadness and grief
Spleen.
consume.
Lung chi.
Okay. Ano tono ng boses ng mga may malulungkot?
Lung chi.
Do they have a good voice or a very weak voice?
Big voice.
Big voice. Next, fear primarily affects the
Kidney.
of course.
Kidney.
Fright and shock disturb the
Heart and kidney.
okay.
Chronic anger.
Chronic anger may lead to
Liver chi.
Liver chi stagnation.
talino to excessive worry commonly causes
Overthinking.
Overthinking and fatigue.
fatigue kasi nauubos yung chi. Next, Prolonged grief may produce
Long Chi
Antideficiency.
Yeah. 23. Chi stagnation is most commonly related to dysfunction of the
liver. Liver.
dali naman. A common symptom of liver chi stagnation.
Frequent
Sighing.
When sighing. Okay, demonstrate.
Ah.
Okay, emotional repression may impair the free flow of
Qing. Liver Chi.
Jing ka agad. Grabe.
Liver Chi.
Kaya, liver chi.
Sabihin makakalbo ka. Prolonged chi stagnation may transform into pag matagal yung chi stagnation.
Heat or fire.
High fire.
Intindihin yung mga medyo irritable, no? Baka may
Oh.
dinadala.
Which
Condition may cause mania and aggression.
liver fire.
Liver
Liver fire.
Liver fire.
Okay, Sir Jobel, describe the tongue of somebody with mania and aggression.
Red.
Anong kulay ng
Liver fire.
Liver
Mataba po
fire.
yung
Red
gilid ng dila.
side
Mania.
kulay ng dila?
and red.
Better things.
Fire na nga.
Redder than red.
Red.
Okay.
Liver
Number 20.
fire.
Bitter taste in the mouth commonly indicates.
Fire or heat.
Fire.
Fire or heat.
Yeah. Next. Phlegm may obstruct the.
Art orifice.
This is
Kaya pwede kang masiraan ng bait, no? Mental clouding of the mind. Sige. Phlegm misting the mind may cause.
Clouded thinking.
Yeah, clouded thinking. Which organ primarily transforms fluids and prevents phlegm formation?
Vein.
Okay, basic. Next. Blood nourishes the.
Shan.
Yes.
Shan.
Okay. Blood deficiency commonly causes.
Anxiety and
insomnia.
Okay. Anong itsura ng mga may anxiety and anong itsura ng tongue, Ma'am Elvira?
Ano, pale dog.
Will it be a swollen tongue or a thin tongue?
Thin.
Wow. Will it be pale or will it be
Pale.
ano
Sure.
ano ang pulse niya? Is it a narrow pulse or is it a mataba na pulse?
Narrow.
Narrow.
Po dog.
Very good. Is it
Yes.
or is it superficial?
Kuya, kay Kuya Be? Deep.
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 O, diba? Expert na tayo. Which organ pair is mainly involved in blood deficiency affecting emotions?
Heart and liver.
Kaya ang mga emotions. Okay, let's go to number 35. Yin deficiency fails to
Cool and anchor young. Cool and anchor young.
cool and anchor the yang. Kaya nagiging mainitin ng ulo, no? Night sweats are commonly associated.
Yin.
Deficiency.
How thick is the tongue?
Yin deficiency.
Coating. How thick is the tongue coating, madam?
Low.
No coating. Okay. Heart-kidney disharmony may lead to
Panic attack.
Panic attacks.
Nawala si Ito. Ako nawala.
the kidney stores
Qing.
Ching. Heart pala.
Next.
C.
Long-term emotional constraint may cause
Blood stasis.
Blood stasis.
and then what? What will happen kung may blood stasis ka? Titigas, pwede maging tumor. So good luck. Kaya? Okay, how are you going to see? How are you?
Cancer.
Yung pinakamaaga pa, of course, pag blood stasis, yung tongue mo purple na, di ba? Ano yung pinakamaaga na hindi pa nag-turn of purple? What is the way of
Or
knowing?
sublingual.
Doubling.
Sublingual.
Or
Okay. A symptom of blood stasis.
fixed headaches.
Okay,
Headaches.
guard lang.
Fixed.
Constitutional weakness is often related to deficiency of
Zinc.
zinc. Next, zinc deficiency may predispose a person to
Fearfulness and poor resilience.
matakutin and poor resilience. Next, external pathogens affecting the Shen may include
Damp heat.
Damp heat.
damp heat. Kaya pala ang daming may ganyan dito. Heat entering the pericardium may cause
Delirium.
delirium. Okay, basic. Which organ houses the Shen?
Or
Okay. Number 46, the liver primarily regulates
Emotional flow.
emotional flow and qi. Next, the spleen governs
Concentration.
concentration. Yung mga hindi makakoncentrate, so ayusin ang spleen. The kidney governs
fear and willpower.
fear and willpower. A fundamental mechanism in mental emotional pathology is chi stagnation. Kaya wag isnabin ang chi stagnation. Next, the last one. The classical TCM principle states
The excess emotions injure the internal.
okay, so lalo. Yeah. So always remember this. So wag masyadong dibdibin. Okay? Wow, congratulations everyone. And I know you love that topic so much.